Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to recover your Microsoft Authenticator app without old phone. Now first, when you get your phone, you have to first activate the cloud backup. So how to do that? You should simply go to Authenticator app on your phone. Then once you open Microsoft Authenticator, you should go to these three dots on the top right corner, then go to settings, and now you have to click on cloud backup. Just make sure to check this option, then click on add an account. And after that, you will have to add any account that you have on your Microsoft. And this is the step that you should make on every phone that you have Microsoft Authenticator on it. Now let's say that you now have a new phone. What you should do exactly to back up your Microsoft Authenticator? You should simply go and download the Microsoft Authenticator. So you'll have to open Play Store, then go to the search bar, then type here Microsoft Authenticator. And after that, you'll have to download the application. And after downloading it, you should click on open. Then here it will show you this page. If you cannot find this page, you can simply click on skip if you find a skip button on the top right corner. And now we shouldn't click on add account or sign in. You should now click on begin recovery. And after that, it will ask you to add your Microsoft account that you have used before in order to back up your Microsoft Authenticator. So make sure you don't choose a different one. You should choose the same email that you have used before. And after that, it will ask you to enter the email, the password. Then they will ask you to do a step of verification. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.